Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make the most incredible brownie bites, the only way you'll ever want to make them. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Finally, grab 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 cup of your favorite chocolate chips for that perfect finish. Now let's get to mixing. In a medium saucepan, melt your 1 stick of unsalted butter over low heat. Once melted, remove it from the heat and stir in the 1 cup of granulated sugar until well combined. Next, whisk in your 2 large eggs one at a time, followed by the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring the mixture is smooth and glossy. Finally, gently fold in the 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Then stir in the 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Be careful not to overmix. It's time to bake these beauties. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While your oven heats up, generously grease a mini muffin tin. This is crucial for easy removal. Carefully spoon your rich brownie batter into each muffin cup, filling them approximately 2/3 full. Don't overfill, as they will rise slightly. Place the tin in the preheated oven and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Almost there. Once your brownie bites are out of the oven, let them cool in the muffin tin for about 10 minutes. This allows them to set up properly and makes them much easier to handle. After 10 minutes, carefully remove each brownie bite from the tin and transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience is key here for that perfect chewy texture. Once fully cooled, these delightful, bite-sized treats are ready to be enjoyed. They are perfect for sharing or as a sweet personal indulgence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.